Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to completely delete Facebook account. So let's get into it. First of all, open Facebook. Click menu icon in the top right of Facebook. Select Settings and Privacy. Then click Settings. Click Account Center at the top left of your screen. Click Personal Details under Account Settings. Click Account Ownership and Control. Then click Deactivation or Deletion. Choose the account or profile you want to delete. Select Delete Account. Click Continue, then follow the instructions to confirm. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.